Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have this super full glam look for you. The eyes are super metallic, we've paired it with a gloss and I'm literally obsessed with this look. So if you'd like to see what products I use to achieve this look, then carry on watching. Right, so just moved you in a little bit closer so you can see the eyes a bit clearer. Apologies for this battery pack, it's not going anywhere, it's staying there. Also apologies if you can hear any geese. They're so loud, I don't know if you heard that, but they're so loud. They wake me up every morning, it's so annoying. Anyway, so to start off with, I'm using the Revolution Conceal and Define in C3. I'm going to use this to carve my brows out and just use it as an eye base. I need to get a new one of these, but they're still sold out everywhere, which is really annoying. So for eyes today, we're going to be using a Jaclyn Hill palette, which I absolutely love. And the first colour we're going to be using is, where is it? This one, just there, and this is just going to go through the crease. Got itchy nose. Building up that colour, but not bringing it too high up to the brow. Now I'm just going to pick up this reddish colour here and just blend that in and under the colour we just put on. So you want to blend it into that colour a little bit, but not too much so the colour disappears completely. So we still want a bit of that brown peeking up above that. So I'm just going to go with a really fluffy brush and pick up, there's a hair. Pick up this yellow colour here and we're just going to go above where we put the transition, just because I want this to be a bit more smoked out than it is. So not applying too much, just a little bit, just to smoke it out a bit more. Now I'm just going to take this brown here and blend this on the outer corner and slightly through the crease, not too high, just like through there. So just really pack that on the outer corner. It doesn't matter how far across you go because we're going to be going in with concealer and cleaning it up. Now I'm just going to go back in with the red just to blend this all together. Eye makeup does take like a lot of blending and patience if you really want it to get like look nice. So yeah, it's just a process of doing like repeating the same step again and again really. Okay, so now the eyes all blended, we're just going to clean that up nice and sharp. Baby white. So we don't want to cut this too high, we want to leave it like really winged out so you have a really nice winged effect. So yeah, just going to do that now. I'm just going to take the same concealer and cut the crease, but we're only doing a half cut crease. So I'm just going to take some on my brush. Right guys, I'm going to try that trick I've seen people do. They put it there and then they look up. I tried it before and it worked quite well, so if this, go away. So if this doesn't work and it messes up, I'm going to be really annoyed. I don't know where they like put it. It didn't really work, like it's just giving me like that there, but I think it's because I didn't have enough concealer on this. So I'm just going to go with that anyway and just cut the crease. Little trick I have for like any cut crease, like halo eye, the more product you have on the tip of your brush, the easier it will be because you're not like dragging it along. You can just slide it and get like a really crisp, smooth line. So yeah, just a little tip or trick if you do struggle with the line, try putting more product on your brush. Honestly, it works miracles. So I'm just going to blend into concealer a little bit more. I'm just going to mix these two colours. Oh, you can't even see these two colours here. And just blend that into the concealer. Because obviously I don't want like a straight line. Now for the fun part. What is my head? It's going everywhere. But anyway, this product guys, oh my god. So what I'm going to be using on my eyes today is the Meron, I don't know how to say it so apologies, Meron metallic powder, and this is in the colour Copper. So to use this you have to activate it with the mixing liquid, and this is just the Meron one as well. I think in total these two came to around £14–15. So yeah, super duper affordable, and honestly you need like the tiniest amount of product. Obviously the annoying thing is that you do have to like mix it, but like you don't need any glue or anything. So yeah, and there's like no fallout, like you don't get glitter on your face. And this, guys, is super duper metallic. Like you're literally looking in the mirror like, whoa. So yeah, just gonna start packing this on. The thicker the consistency, the more metallic. But honestly, guys, you literally need the tiniest drop of the mixing liquid, otherwise you'll have to add more powder because it'll just be like too watery, and then it'll take forever to dry as well, which you don't want. So moving on to my face now, obviously we'll come back to my eyes and stick my lashes on. This is just the way I do my makeup. So for face, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation. This is in the colour Warm Beige. I've recently grown to love this. Now, I've had it for quite a while and I've used it like a couple times, but I was never like a big fan. But recently I have been loving this foundation. I'm normally more of like a matte girl myself, but recently, honestly guys, I've been loving this foundation. So I don't know how well this is going to match my fake tan. It might be a little bit too dark. I might get my other one to mix it with. Hang on in there. Now I'm pretty sure these are around £10, I think. £10, £11, I'm not sure. I got them quite a while ago, so I literally can't remember. They were blah blah blah. I need to slow down. The camera just stopped recording again, which is really annoying, but yeah, these were not expensive at all. That's all I can remember. I'm just using my finger to dot this around my face because I did mix it on the back of my hand. Just gonna blend this in with my Real Techniques sponge. Yeah, I'm really glad I mixed them actually because they match them really well. This is such nice coverage as well. So if you want like a full coverage look, this foundation is your girl. Your girl? Your one? Whatever. Guys, look at that coverage. I'm so impressed, like for the price. I can't believe I didn't like this product when I first used it. I don't know what's wrong with me. I absolutely love it. Like I absolutely love this now. Only thing is I find with foundations don't last as long. Matte lasts a lot longer. Like on my skin, I've got a bit in my hair. That's really annoying. Oh, fun fact guys, my hair, I had a bit of trauma. Can you not? So I went to like cut my own fringe, and I've done it before and like it went okay. But yeah, I went to cut my own fringe and horror. It was absolute horror. It went completely wrong. I had to call my friend Shelby and I was like, Shelby, get in out, sort me out. So yeah, we had to go like a lot shorter with my fringe than I would have liked or wanted it to be. But yeah, my hair grows really quick, so hopefully it should grow out. It's grown a little bit already, but yeah, this is not as short like as I would want it, so it's kind of like pissing me off at the moment, so I've got to like keep like, get away from me. But yeah, concealer, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I don't know what shade this is, not gonna lie. I don't ever use it, really anyway, just because it's not my favourite concealer I own. Like it's not the best concealer I have, although it was the most expensive concealer I own. Like it's alright, but it's not the best. Honestly, it doesn't say what colour it is, so yeah, don't know why it doesn't say. Cool. But yeah, I'm just going to put this in all my normal places. Like, don't get me wrong, it is a full coverage concealer, but like for the price compared to other concealers I have, like it just isn't worth it. Now to set my under eyes, I'm going to use my RCMA No Colour Powder and just put this on. I like to go like up the side that's the bridge, side of my nose, because it creates like a contour effect. I'm going to set the rest of my face now with my Stay Matte powder. I'm not going to show you it because it is disgusting, it's nearly all gone. Just take a really big fat brush and just really press this in, because this isn't a matte foundation, so I feel like I need to set it more. Moving on to bronzer, using my absolute favourite MAC Give Me Sun. Nothing will ever compare to this. It's my favourite bronzer from when I'm tanned. So yeah, just going to bronze up the face. So I love, love, love using blusher. It just adds contour and just a little bit of colour back into your face. So the one I'm using today is Model's Own Rock and Rosy Matte Powder Blusher in Sienna. This one is quite pigmented, so I just take a little bit and just put it right on the apples of my cheeks. So for highlighter today, I'm using my Over highlighter in Blissful. It's Seen Better Days. The lid broke on it. So yeah, it makes it really hard for me to travel with this. Like I can't really travel with it because the lid broke off it. I love this highlighter. I really, really, really want to try that over highlighters because this is amazing. Oh, love it. I remember when I first used this highlighter, I was literally like, whoa, that is bright, like that is blinding. I love it. So yeah, I just put a little bit above my eyebrows because I like it there. Honestly guys, I could sit here forever just on my Cupid's bow. I literally put so much on my Cupid's bow the other day. Jed literally looked at me like, what the fuck is that? But I love it. Okay, so moving back onto eyes, just going to zoom you in a little bit again so you can see what I'm doing up here. So to start off, I'm just going to highlight my brow bone using the same highlighter I just used. I just put it like right under the arch, I don't go anywhere else. Back in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, we're going to do the under eye. So I'm going to take the brown that we used and put this like right under the waterline, really close. I'm going to take the reddish colour from earlier and just run that underneath and blow it out a little bit. For my inner corner highlight, I'm going to take this colour right here in the corner and highlight using that. I'm just going to take my Maybelline Mastering and just line my lash line ready for lashes. For mascara today, I'm using my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara, so I'm just going to put this on, put my lashes on and I'll be back. So the lashes are on, I'm feeling super, super glam right now. Lashes I use are the Pinky Goat lashes in Nora. I've had these again for so long and I only recently wore this pair, but since I wore them first time, like every time I've been out on a night out, I've worn them. I love them. Like obviously these are not everyday lashes, these are like really like full, hang on, full lash, like they're big. Right, moving on to lips. So recently I have been loving lip gloss, absolutely loving it. I need to get more lip gloss because I love it, I love it. So at the moment my favourite combo is the MAC Strip Down lip pencil with NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in London, then with one of their butter glosses in Fortune Cookie. This combo, my absolute favourite. I need to get more of these NYX lip glosses because they're so good. I've had this again. I had this ages and ages ago. I saw Hannah Renee talking about it. It must be like over a year ago now. I'm like, I used it a little bit, but like I was never really like a lip gloss girl. But recently, I've been loving lip gloss, and this has been my favourite combo at the moment. So I'm definitely gonna get my hands on some more of these. So yeah, I'm just gonna line my lips with the pencil first. The only thing I find with the soft matte lip creams is they do dry up rather quickly. That's really like the only main downfall. Now I've got to apply the lip gloss, which I love. How gorgeous is this lip combo, guys? I literally love lip gloss at the moment. I definitely need to get onto NYX and get some more. In fact, I think I might go this week and get some more. But anyway, that is the finished makeup look. I hope you love this look as much as I do. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye!